Hey everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And I'm going to show you a few projects I did using the shaving cream technique cards that I made on Tuesday. And they turned out so fun. So I wanted to share those. So today's will be a really quick video. I also want to remind you about my country dozen reward points, and I've had these for years. And these will be ending February the 28th. So I'll show you that chart. You can get that on my blog over here. I also email it to you. When you place an order, I send it in a quick email so you have it. But like I said, those reward points will be ending February 28th that I offer. And then you will have till the end of April, which is April 30th of 2025, to redeem them. Stampin' Up! Is going to be coming out with a new reward program in April, so I'm going to discontinue mine because you'll be getting rewards that way. And I'm still going to do my mini masterpieces because I have so much fun with those, so I will be showing you the one that you can earn in February as well. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel and click the little all button, and then that way YouTube will let you know when I upload or go live or any of that good stuff. During the live premiere, I'm in the chat room, so head on over there. That's where I'll be with me and my friends, and you can visit and ask questions over there. If you're watching the replay, leave a comment below, and then YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. Most of the time, I put the recipe of the project that I'm using underneath the video, so if that's ever not there, holler at me. Sometimes I can't do the full recipe because some things are retired. Like I am going to be using retired stamp set today because it went perfect with the mask that I used on the shaving cream technique. But you can always, and some of you might already have it because I did do it as a class in the mail kit, so you might have already have that stamp set. So anyways, all right, so I think that's all the blabbing I want to do for now. So close your eyes for a second while I get my camera adjusted. So here is that country dozen rewards chart that you can get on my blog over here. But like I said, I do email it to you. And it is ending February the 28th, 2025, and like I said, you must redeem these by April the 30th, so make sure you have at least a dozen in there. And then I just stroked this out because this will not apply. So if you order 50 before tax and shipping in a single order, you are ordering a sunflower. So you just put that order number, the date, and then once you get a dozen sunflowers, you get to choose something from me of a value of $40. So again, you have till the end of this month to be earning these, and then you have to redeem them by April the 30th, or they expire. So if you have any questions, holler at me. All right. So speaking of mini masterpiece. When you place 75 in the month before tax and shipping, and that can be accumulative orders, this is February's mini masterpiece. And I could not resist using my little darling Dino's stamp set. Look how cute he is. Little T-bone with his little kissy lips on him. So when you spend 75 before tax and shipping in the month of February 2025, when I send you your thank you card at the first part of March, because I always send my thank yous in the following month, then I will put your little T-bone in there if you earn him. Excuse me. All right. So Tuesday, I did some really fun shaving cream technique samples with you, and so then I played with them excuse me, I played with them, and I wanted to show you the projects I came up with. Now, I did use, so here's the first one, and this looked like chicken wire. You know, this die, or not die, but this mask looked like chicken wire. So I pulled out, I didn't know which one I was going to use, so I pulled out some old stamp sets. So this is Hey Chuck, and it has a coordinating die, so I used that. And then Hey Birthday Chick would work as well, and it also had a coordinating die. And like I said, I believe you can't get these anymore. Gosh, my throat. But you always want to check that last chance list. Always, always, always. Because, you know, sometimes things come on there. Like there was, I remember years ago, I want to say that, I don't know if Stampin' Up! Was moving something, but they found, like stuff that they thought was gone or something, and then it was on the last chance. So always just go there. I'm always looking on that last chance list. All right, but this is the cute card I did, and what I did was these colors that I used in here, I made sure to use them in the card. So I had Gorgeous Grape, so I used Gorgeous Grape cardstock. That Lemon Lolly I did for the sun coming up. And then I just made sure that I used those colors, the freesias in the cute little irritated rooster as he's standing there. You've got something to crow about. And then I just made sure, because a lot of times when I stamp just with black, I'll just highlight it a little bit, especially when it's like a play on words, right? Like you've got something to crow, because that's what he's doing. And then usually I'll emphasize, you know, that word that is kind of like the tongue-in-cheek or whatever. And I just used colors that I used coloring Chuck as well as in the shaving cream. But I love how that turned out. I didn't put anything on the inside of that one. All right, and then I could not resist using my darling dino, and I did the same thing. I picked colors that I used here, so Azure and Lemon Lime Twist I used when I did the shaving cream technique here, and I even had a little bit that I could put on the inside. So I just made sure that when I colored T-Bone, I used colors that I used in here, and I did a pop of Poppy Parade, and I also did it on his spine as well as his cute little kissy lips. But I love how that turned out. So cute. All right, and then I still had a piece of that Gorgeous Grape. So I thought this was fun. I had not played with, so the Darling Dinos is my bundle. And then I hadn't played with the Tune In bundle yet. So I thought that was fun because this kind of looked like maybe the TV isn't quite coming in, or it's starting to focus or something like that. So I just thought this was too fun. So this is a slim line. And this die has some cute pieces. It has the little dials for the TV. It has other pieces that I didn't even use. It has this little like you could put it on the bottom of the TV, like for the vent. And I think that's more if you build the TV without stamping it. You know, maybe you just use, because I was going to use wood. I was going to use like wood grain. And then I decided I liked the pool party because it looked very vintagey. Right? Because this TV gives me that vintage vibe of, you know, a little tiny TV. But anyway, so it has these vents. So when you do does the vent and the two little knobs come out of the same die. So I have these extra ones because I didn't use the little vent. But so cute. So stay tuned for an important message. And happy birthday. And T-Bone, he got into the spiked tea at the birthday party or whatever they were serving, and instead of his birthday hat, he grabbed the antenna off the TV and he was wearing that as a hat instead. So he is such a comedian, that T-Bone. He is too funny. But anyways, all right. And I want to show you also with my darling dinos. And this is a little sneak peek. So I'm going to be demoing this on Tuesday for my Teach Me Tuesdays. I'm going to show you this cute little diorama peekaboo card using my darling dinos. So I did a Stampin' Up! Asked me to do a little demonstration on the Demonstrator planning place. I think it is Demonstrator planning place. And it's a private Facebook group for demonstrators only. And I came up with this card just for that. So I want to do this as a video. So make sure that you, come back on Tuesday. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. Because, yeah, I think that's all I had to show as I look around. But, yeah, I love how this turned out. And then I had quite a few people say, oh, can you show that? Because it's been a while since I did a diorama or a peekaboo card. And they're super fun. And it turned out so cute. So yeah. So Monday I'll do my mimeograph Monday with a twist, and that will be 3 o'clock, same time, same channel. I always go 3 o'clock Arizona time. So if your time changes, and they're supposed to be getting rid of that, aren't they? I thought they were gonna stop maybe doing that time change, but Arizona doesn't change their clocks, so sometimes if they do change the clock still, it might be a different time. But anyway, so always look, what time is it in Arizona for 3 o'clock, and then you'll know. But anyways, so Monday will be my mimeograph Monday with a twist, and then Tuesday for my Teach Me Tuesdays, and again it'll be at 3 o'clock. I will do this, so I'll make this little card. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. All right, so I am going to stop blabbing so I can let you go. And have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday. If you have any questions, make sure you holler at me. Don't forget that there is a special going on if you join my team during the month of February, because it's the end of celebration. You get extra goodies in your starter kit. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me, because I did show pre-order stuff the other day, so you could put that in your starter kit so you don't have to wait on that. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to show. I'm like looking at my calendar. Yeah. That's all I wanted to show. All right, so I will see you Monday. Have a great weekend, and thanks for spending some time with me this week. I really appreciate it. All right, bye for now.